Hello, today I decided to invent a new waffle recipe called Hibiscus Waffles or Sbolo Waffles. I've never seen this anywhere. I just took my imagination and brought it to light. First, I have the dry hibiscus leaves and I sort them out. Guys, as you can see, I can see stones here. I do not know why this company decided to pack the dry hibiscus into a clean packaging, and it makes it look like the conventional local market hibiscus leaves. But this is from a company and they packed in everything, notwithstanding that I thought this would be well refined. But I sort them out and I give them a good wash. First, to wash this, you have to pamper the washing, just like dapping into the water. I did this 2 to 3 times and I sort them out. As you can see, I'm sorting out things that do not look like the leaves. I just give them a light wash, just a light wash, a dabble here and there. And after that, you can see I have my wet Sbolo leaves or wet hibiscus flower leaves. Here they are. I turn them into a pot and I pour in some water into this pot. Here I have about 4 big cups of water and I place them onto the cooking stove and boil for about 7 to 8 minutes. When this is done, I allow it to cool. Guys, as you can notice, the hibiscus tea is not flavored. This is just plain hibiscus tea. I allow it to cool. I sieve some. I place into my mixing bowl and I pour in some milk. This is a full cream milk with 2 spoons of sugar and 2 spoons of melted butter. Guys, next I also have my flour. I only used about 1 cup of flour. I wanted to experiment, and I have 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. I mix them all together. Guys, as you mix this, do not forget to have your eggs ready. At this point, remember, I'm just trying out this recipe for the first time, but I loved the outcome. That is why I'm able to show you what I am doing and what I've done and how I'm able to come up with this recipe. At this point, I remember my egg. I add in just 1 egg and proceed to whip everything together. As you can notice, the color of this mix is slightly off-white. Will I call it off-white? Yeah, because it had the red Sbolo water and all the flour, sugar, baking powder, the butter, all came up to this color, and I will call this off-white. So this is an off-white mix, and here I have it. I go straight to the waffle maker. I pour in some of the batter and wait for it to set. And here I have it. Guys, look at this color. Can you see the new waffles? So this is the hibiscus waffles or the Sbolo waffles, whatever you choose to call it in your language or in your dialect. I mix up another one and pour in and have another set of waffles. After that, here you have it. So this is the color of these waffles, but we can't just eat it like this. We have to add some fruits to make it pop. It's pretty amazing that this tastes delicious, like really good. You never have any of this. You can't find this in fancy restaurants. So far so good, and you can't find this in any kitchen other than the Platinum Diner space. I also add some ripe bananas to make it extra sumptuous, delicious and appetizing, and sprinkle some cherry jam. Guys, you can see the cherry jam rhymes with the color of the day, the burgundy or the red color for the hibiscus flower or the Sbolo leaves. You can see how it looks really special. The kids loved it, and I wish I'm able to get a recording of their reaction to having this for the first time. It tastes so amazing, guys. You need to try this recipe. Please share it with your loved ones, share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel. Hibiscus Sbolo Waffles, a new recipe in town for all waffle lovers. Have a beautiful day. Stay tuned for more content and do check out other playlists on the channel. Stay tuned.